Welcome back. We are still on page 71 and we are looking at question B, which is practicing the skill of predicting. So it says, do you know how earthquakes begin? Use the words below to discuss your ideas with a partner. Use a dictionary to help you. Check your ideas as you watch the video. So we're going to practice doing this today on the video. Let's take a look at the words. Earth's crust, tectonic plates, movement, and shock waves. Now, luckily I have a book to help me here with some pictures. And this book shows me a map of the Earth, and it shows me with colors where the tectonic plates are located. And it has an explanation at the top here. It says, moving Earth. Earth's crust is divided up into large pieces called tectonic plates. So these are like jigsaw pieces. These plates move around on the molten, that means melted, rock under them. So we remember that the Earth is full of hot, melted rock. And these plates sit on top of the hot rock and they move around because it is melted underneath them. And there's a great video I put today in the homework section that will help you to understand this more. So Earth's crust is divided up into large pieces called tectonic plates. These plates move around under the molten or melted rock under them. Where the edges of these moving plates meet, the Earth's crust is unstable, meaning it is moving. It is unpredictable. And earthquakes, volcanic eruptions occur, and mountains may also form there. So there's all sorts of different kinds of movements. So it says here plate boundaries. These are where the edges of tectonic plates meet. And there are three main types. There's convergent boundaries, where they move towards each other and may push together, forming mountains, or one plate gets pushed under the other and a volcano can form. There's another type over here, transform, when they rub against each other. This can cause an earthquake. They may slide by in opposite directions or move in the same direction at different speeds. Then divergent boundaries, the plates move away from each other, and plate materials form in the gaps left between them. When this happens under the ocean, new ocean floor is created. So for earthquakes, we are focusing on transform boundaries, where the plates rub past each other. And here in this picture, we can see the ring of fire, where there are many volcanoes and earthquakes, where these plates are meeting each other. And back to our picture here, we can see other places that are prone to earthquakes. So South Central America, through North America, Alaska, here. So in our book and our video, we're looking mainly at earthquakes that happen here. And then also here, here's the island of Japan, where many earthquakes and tsunamis occur. So, one more time, moving Earth. Earth's crust is divided up into large pieces called tectonic plates. These plates move around on the molten rock under them. Where the edges of these moving plates meet, the Earth's crust is unstable and earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. So hopefully that will help you now. I want you to pause the video and see if you can explain how earthquakes happen using these words. Earth's crust, tectonic plates, movement, and shock waves. Okay, so stop the video, practice a few times, and see if you can give a good explanation.